This is day 2 of talking about studies cited in Thinking Fast and Slow that are solid. In the mid-2000s, Alexander Todorov and colleagues showed people pairs of photos from real U.S. congressional races. The participants, who knew nothing about the candidates, were shown the photos for only 1 second and then had to pick who looked more competent. Their snap judgments of competence matched the actual election winners nearly 70% of the time. There's been a lot of follow-up research. Todorov, along with others, looked for the neural basis of this effect using fMRI machines to find whether the effect of appearance on voting is more strongly influenced by positive or negative attributions. They found that negative attributions from appearance exert greater influence on voting than do positive. When a face didn't look competent, areas of the brain linked to emotion and conflict lit up more. In other words, our brains seem to react pretty strongly when a candidate's face gives us a "this person doesn't look up to the job" vibe. There has been independent follow-up research too. In a 2009 study, Swiss children played a computer game with a boat and were then shown the faces of French political candidates, who they didn't know, and asked who should be the captain of the boat. Their choices predicted who actually won the elections with a probability of 0.71. Another 2009 study looked at judgments of both competence and sociability. Like the other studies, it found that higher perceived competence was related to a higher probability of winning the election. But interestingly, they found that perceived sociability was negatively correlated with electoral success.